Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or set schedule online chat or in Wix chat. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using this app Wix Chat by Wix. So I already uploaded video on YouTube how to create Wix Chat. So you can find that video link in video description. But in this video we are going to set or add schedule online hour for chat. Now close. So this is our chat. So click on it and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in main and then you see multiple option and then you see schedule online chat hours. So click on it. So we are in setting communication channel chat. Now you see general and then you see schedule chat or set days and hour you appear online to chat with visitor. Now you see enable chat or enable it. Now you see days, weekdays and then you can add time. Also you see plus icon, so click on it. If you want you can add chat online time for a Monday 2 times. Now you see, so you can set according to your requirement. Now delete, so you can add AM. Now you see, so you can set PM and then you see Saturday, Sunday not enable, it's mean off. So we are only online on these days. We select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and we are offline on Saturday, Sunday. And then you see your time zone. So you can select your time zone according to requirement. Now you see. And then click on save changes. Now you see changes saved done. Now close. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Now close it. Now you see Wix chat. And then you see text. So click on it. Now you see when we are online. So let's chat appear. And when we are offline, contact us appear. Now go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see let's chat. So refresh the page and then you see contact us. So click on it. Now you see web task. Leave us a message and we will reply as soon as we can. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.